Probability theory is a branch of mathematics that deals with the likelihood of different outcomes occurring in uncertain situations. This field forms a fundamental part of various domains, including statistics, finance, science, and even philosophical debates about determinism and free will. The origins of probability theory can be traced back to the work of mathematicians like Girolamo Cardano, who was interested in gambling and games of chance, and further developed through the correspondence between Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat in the 17th century. At its core, probability theory uses mathematical models to analyze random phenomena. These models are based on sample spaces, which represent all possible outcomes of an experiment, and events, which are subsets of the sample space. For example, when rolling a six-sided die, the sample space consists of the numbers 1 through 6, and an event could be rolling an even number. One of the essential concepts in probability theory is the probability measure, which assigns a number between 0 and 1 to an event, representing its likelihood. A probability of 0 means the event will never happen, while a probability of 1 means it is certain to occur. The sum of the probabilities of all possible outcomes in a sample space is always equal to 1. Probability theory also involves different rules and laws that help calculate probabilities in various scenarios. These include the addition and multiplication rules. The addition rule is used to find the probability of any one of several events occurring, while the multiplication rule is relevant for finding the probability of two or more independent events occurring together. Conditional probability is another crucial area within probability theory, used to determine the likelihood of an event given that another event has occurred. This is particularly important in statistics and fields that require decision-making under uncertainty. The concept of random variables is also vital, representing quantities that can take numerous values in an unpredictable manner. Random variables can be either discrete, having specific and countable values, or continuous, with any value within a given interval. Another fundamental theorem in probability theory is the law of large numbers, which states that as the number of trials in a random experiment increases, the average result approaches the expected value. This is why casinos and the insurance industry, for instance, can predict long-term outcomes with substantial confidence, even when individual results vary greatly. Probability distributions, such as the binomial, Poisson, and normal distributions, are employed to model different types of random variables. These distributions provide a complete description of the behavior of many phenomena. For instance, the normal distribution, often called the bell curve due to its shape, is widely used in statistics to represent real-valued random variables whose distributions are not known. Whether it is used for practical problems, like predicting weather patterns and stock market fluctuations, or theoretical pursuits, probability theory offers a powerful framework to quantify and analyze uncertainty in various aspects of life. Its tools and principles are indispensable in making informed decisions when outcomes cannot be predicted with absolute certainty.